It was just last month when whispers of Instagram launching a subscription tier swirled around in tech spaces, but those mild whispers have become reality now. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech updates. Recently, Meta was planning to introduce a subscription tier for several of its social media properties, including Instagram and WhatsApp. And now, the tech giant has rolled out Instagram Plus globally, with the company explaining what it's offering alongside more details about exactly what will be included for paying users. Well, most of the features revolve around how people see content. Now you'll get a story spotlight feature that prioritizes your profile for friends, as well as a story extend feature that keeps the disappearing content visible for 48 hours instead of 24. Before, users could only share their stories to close friends or all. There was nothing in between, but now subscribers can also create multiple audience lists and pick which one will see a given story. There's a tool to preview stories, stats about how often your stories were rewatched, and a way to search the people who have viewed a story. And if you don't want a piece of content to show up in the main feed, you can opt to publish the post directly to your profile or highlights. There are some customization options as well. Subscribers can select from a collection of app icons and pick the text font for their bios. They'll be able to pin 6 items to the top of their profile and send animated super hearts when reacting to friends' stories. Though Meta has already rolled out the subscription, but it promised to add more features in the coming months. As for the price, Instagram Plus costs $3.99 a month. Are these features worth it? For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.